Sai Ram. I had my second healing session with Sai G. Uh, I had a really bad weekend. I was really stressed out and depressed. After talking to Sai G and doing the second healing, I find quite relaxing, quite calming, and a really good experience. We chant 108 ohms, and it was such a great feeling with chanting 108 ohms. I felt so relaxed. I was emotional. I was crying with that experience, and I felt different energy coming through me, and it was a nice feeling and a great spiritual experience. And it was so loving experience, and it's all the energy that Guruji transferred to me was quite nice. The whole time was a real spiritual experience, which I really enjoyed. I stayed on that stage for quite a while, just meditating and enjoying and observing all the energy. It was such a lovely experience. I would like to thank Gurudev for that. Thank you.